What's up, YouTube? This is before I changed the handlebars to what it is now. What's up, YouTube? I got the handlebars on. Excuse me, I'm drinking some coffee. Got the mirror on. Got the new grips on. Got the phone holder on. Got the GoPro mount. Got the display. And what happened? I put the other controller on. And the other controller was not compatible. The KT30 amp controller was not compatible with my bike, so it did not work. So I just put the controller I had that worked the best on it. These two are going at it right now, but that's normal. Hey, stop. That's how it looks with the handlebars, guys. Please hit like, comment, and subscribe for more videos.